I'm associated with Balachandra right from about 25 years right from now, and I've been through him with Satsai Seva organization for a very long time. And now, as I'm in quarantine, Balachandra gave me a book called Bharat Darshan, and it was a very good book for me. I completed the book in one day actually. It was a very good book because it tells about the travels about Anna going through all the temples all over India, and he traveled the length and breadth of the country, and it is not a joke to travel from the length and the breadth of the country while walking or going through bus or auto or any other means of transport. And he also went to Kailas Manasarovar. There he wanted to do prakrima for the Kailas Kailas, but he could not do because two of his friends became very ill, and because of that he had to come back. That tells us about his large-heartedness, that that social services is more better for him than prayer. And there are many instances in the book which tells about his large-heartedness and his good willingness to do good for the country. Before having Bharat Darshan, Anna came to me and asked me whether he could do Bharat Darshan or whether he could travel through all the places in India. I told it is a very tough task for him, and I also told him that I told him not to travel and take such a strain, but he did not give scope to my advice, and he started Bharat Darshan, and he started from Bangalore, and then he went to other places of the country. There was a point where he told me that he had a vision of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, and their great souls actually give darshan to people like him because he is an inspiration for all of us. And I did not expect that he will write the book, but he has written the book, and that too every day before sleeping he used to pen down for the book, and he used to forward it to Lahari, and Lahari used to do the other work for the book. And but it was a very ardent and difficult task for Anna to write such a book in such a short period of time. And also, he had to face many difficulties all through the pilgrimage in India. But he did not, whether it was physically, mentally, or mentally, he had to undergo a lot of difficulties. And going to the length and breadth of the country is not a joke actually. I suggest that everybody should read this book because it tells about the character of India. It tells about the spirituality of India. It tells that all religions, India is has a multifaceted religions in the whole world, India. And for India, all religions are equal. And love is the only religion for Anna. And love is the only religion for Anna. And I suggest everybody should read this book and pass on the message to every citizen of the country. Jai Hind.